Just close your eyes. Know the peace within.
Beloved GM, I will ask in Russian and Freddie will translate.
Dear GM, during meditation, I could see that a part of me wanted to sleep. When I saw this part of me, it was some kind of awakening. And also there is a part of me, because I'm a psychologist, who want to understand and analyze and try to get rid of a problem through psychology. But you are speaking, we should only observe. So which one is the correct way to go? To use this kind of a mind or this analysis and all that? Or just to do, as you say, to be observing? And this sleeping part of myself, is that a part of the totality of consciousness?
You always observe. You neither sleep nor dream. Sleep happens and dream happens. And you are none of the happening. You are yet to know the conscious state within. By not knowing the conscious state within, you go on divide that partially sleeping, partially waking. It's not so. Sleep is total and wakefulness is total. And you are neither the sleep nor the dream, neither the suffering nor the memory, neither the thought nor the emotion, neither the knowledge nor the feeling nor the experiences. I say you were never born. Can there be any struggle for the one which is never born? Can there be any suffering for the one that is never born? To know that you are never born, first you need to wake up consciously, because you are still at the personality level, still at the duality level, still at the identification level. That's why you find difficult to know what you are, to know the conscious state within, and to wake up totally within. You are yet to know your beyondness. You are already beyond space, beyond movement, beyond object, beyond dream. You only observe right from the waking state till sleep happens. In your observation, many things appear to happen, many things appear to move here and there, many things appear to disappear. And you go on identify all that appear, move and disappear to be yourself and to be real, to be yourself and to be real. Through constant identifications with the perceived duality show, you are unable to know your original state beyond duality, your original state beyond space. Because beyond space there's no movement. Beyond space there's no object. Beyond space there's no changes. Beyond space there is neither appearances nor disappearances. Since you are yet to know your beyondness prior to duality, you go on accept all the happening within duality to be real, to be real. My whole teaching is only to wake up your consciousness. Inwardly, I tell you that your consciousness is beyond space. Have you known what is beyond space? You know only what is within space. You know only what is happening in space. You know only what is appearing and moving and disappearing in space. You are yet to know where you are yet to know what you are. And you can get to know what you are only when you wake up totally. That's why I say you are still sleeping at the personality level, at the identification level, at the knowledge level, at the words level. I make you know your beyondness by closing eyes. The moment you close your eyes, you are free from the duality show, you are free from the object level show, you are free from the knowledge of the duality. Just by closing eyes, you come to know the stillness which is unmoving and unchanging. Only thing is you are not settling here inwardly beyond movement to wake up totally. Why you find difficult to be with yourself and to wake up totally? Because you have strong investment with the perceived duality dream which is not you. Still you give reality because you are yet to be conscious of yourself. Here, throughout my teachings, I help you to be conscious of yourself inwardly, constantly, consistently, so that your consciousness can come to know its conscious state and gives importance to itself inwardly, so that the wakefulness is total. All that you need to do is settle inwardly and observe silently the way you are now. Just now, with eyes closed, you know the stillness within, and who observes the stillness? It's only you. You observe the stillness and you are more than stillness. The same way, observe the entire duality in stillness. Then you remain totally unaffected by the duality show. Then you cannot talk about mind which never exists. There's no such thing called mind. Only thoughts appear to disappear. And thoughts are not you. They just happen due to identifications. You identify an object, spontaneously thoughts happen. When you do not identify and simply observe, thoughts cannot happen. You are already free from thoughts. How can thoughts affect you? Since you identify the thoughts to be yourself and you run along with the thought and you are trapped by the thought which is not you, which is never you. Thoughts are constantly appearing, moving and disappearing, but you neither appear nor disappear. You neither move nor change. That's why I help you to know the unchanging stillness within, unmoving stillness within. Know the stillness inwardly, you get all the answers by yourself. Because the answer is within. And you are going on identifying the entire duality show. To be real, to be real. It is exactly like you do not know that you only observe the dream and you go on, get trapped by the dream till you wake up. Exactly here. You are yet to wake up. I constantly remind your consciousness to wake up totally. To wake up, you need not open your eyes. Even when eyes are open, you remain sleeping, 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 and when you remain wakeful, wakefulness is inward. And you never settle inward. Inwardly you never settle, then how can you wake up? That's why here throughout my teachings I help you to settle inwardly and be with yourself and know the unmoving state within. By knowing the unmoving stillness within, your consciousness remains wakeful. Through constant wakefulness, your consciousness wakes up. Once you know what I am expounding here, I am telling the essence of wakefulness and the essence of realization in very simple terms. My words are very, very simple and teaching is also very simple, but it looks very much tough for you at the personality level. Once you are conscious, once you know to stay beyond words, very easily you can know the stillness and wake up easily, because right now you are in your destination. Only thing is you are still sleeping by the perceived duality and unable to wake up from the perceived duality because your consciousness does not know that it is already right now in its original destination, which is non-dual, which is unmoving, which is unchanging, and which is eternally ever present. At least now know to settle inwardly and know the conscious state inwardly and wake up totally. to realize your unbound wholeness beyond duality.